Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk you through the steps of how I make an easy to build planter using recycled pallet wood. This is one that my dad made. We set up a little competition. Who do you think can make the better one?
First job, I need to cut all my pieces to size. I'm measuring 6 pieces to 49.5 centimetres to make sure I'm making the most out of my wood. Now that I've measured my pieces of wood, I now need to cut along those lines to make sure that I have the right size pieces for when I'm screwing them all together. Making sure I'm carefully making an entry hole so I know I don't mess up when I go to the final sawing. Do this until you have 6 identical pieces, which will be used for our sides. We are now cutting 6 different size pieces for the other sides of the planter. It varies from the amount of wood you have and how big you want your planter to be, but I'm cutting mine to 24 centimetres. Next job, I am fastening my first pieces of wood onto the other pieces of wood. I find this is the quickest way of doing it. You can use a nail gun, you can use a drill and screws, you can use glue if you even really wanted to. But make sure that there's a big enough gap for the other pieces to come in. It'll make more sense later on. Do this until you have 2 pieces like this. You want 2 of them. Next, what you want to do is, your other pieces you have, you want to put those in between both of those bigger pieces using nails, screws, or even glue if you want to. Keep on doing this process until you have all 3 pieces on both sides ready to put the other one on the bottom of it. What you're going to want to do now is measure from one side of your planter to the other side of your planter, and then that's what you need to cut your other pieces to as your floor for your planter. What I'm doing now is I'm screwing on my bottom pieces. I'm going to screw them on because I don't want to use a nail gun because the pieces might just fall off as I'm putting heavy soil and plants and stuff. So I'm just going to use screws for this just for the safety. As you can see, I'm putting in my drill bit for my pilot hole, and then I'll be using rather long screws because I do want this to be very, very strong. So. Now do this for the rest of the wood. Here we have it. Actually, both of them are mine, but the one I did today was the one on the left. How do you think I did? Let me know down in the comments which one's better. Number 1 is on the left and number 2 is on the right. Thank you.